Welcome to Home Decor, where creativity meets style to transform your home. Get ready for fresh ideas, inspiring designs, and unique tips from all corners of the world. Whether you're refreshing a room and starting a new project, we have inspiration you need. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell to stay updated with all things decor. The wall behind your bed has a significant impact on the overall design of your bedroom. An ordinary bedroom can be transformed into a gorgeous heaven with paneling, which is a great way to add character, warmth, and texture. There is a paneling style for every taste, be it classic, rustic, or modern. For your next bedroom renovation, consider these lovely behind the bed paneling ideas. Classic wooden paneling. Wood paneling gives any bedroom a cozy, classic look. Wooden panels can instantly improve the coziness of your space, whether you go for sleek, polished wood for a modern look or reclaimed wood for a rustic feel. Choose horizontal planks for a broader, more laid back vibe or vertical panels for a taller, more refined look. Modern slatted panels. Slatted wood paneling is a fantastic option for a simple yet eye catching look. A smooth, streamlined appearance is produced by these thin, uniformly spaced slats. You can choose painted slats for a personalized touch or natural wood tones for warmth. For a subtle, ambient glow, this design looks great with LED strip lighting behind the panels. Luxurious velvet upholstered panels. Do you want to give your bedroom a little more glitz and refinement? A hotel inspired aesthetic can be achieved with upholstered panels covered in plush velvet. For a striking effect, use deep jewel tones like royal purple, navy blue, or emerald green. Alternatively, opt for neutral colors for a sophisticated, subtle look. Geometric wall panels. Geometric paneling is the way to go for people who enjoy a contemporary, artistic touch. Geometric patterns can give your bedroom a stylish, modern appearance, whether you choose to use textured wallpaper, painted wooden panels, or MDF cutouts. Hexagons, chevrons, and herringbone are common patterns that provide a fashionable and dynamic look. Textured 3D wall panels. Use textured 3D wall panels to create a high-end, designer vibe in your bedroom. The overall atmosphere of your room is improved by the visual depth these panels provide. To create an opulent appearance, materials like PVC, gypsum, or imitation leather can be utilized. To bring out their depth and texture, place them in soft lighting. Elegant wainscoting. A timeless classic, wainscoting gives bedrooms a touch of traditional charm. Installing wooden or MDF panels on the lower portion of the wall, frequently paired with ornamental moldings, is the paneling style. It adds a sophisticated and comfortable touch to bedrooms designed in the farmhouse, coastal, or vintage styles. Industrial metal paneling. Metal paneling can be a surprising yet fashionable option for an urban and edgy aesthetic. Steel panels, corrugated metal sheets, or even rusted patina finishes can give your bedroom a distinctive, industrial look. To balance the design and create a warm yet striking space, combine metal paneling with wood and plush fabrics. Reclaimed barnwood panels. Reclaimed barnwood paneling is the ideal option if you enjoy rustic or farmhouse interior design. Barnwood's natural grain and weathered texture add coziness and genuineness to your room. Your bedroom will feel even more unique and charming because each piece has a story to tell. Wallpaper inspired paneling. Not all paneling has to be composed of metal or wood. Some homeowners choose to create the illusion of paneling by painting grid patterns that resemble panels or applying wallpaper with 3D effects. This is an inexpensive, easily updated substitute that lets you get the look of paneling without having to commit to using actual materials. Ceiling to floor paneling. Extend your paneling from floor to ceiling for a striking and opulent effect. This method creates a sophisticated statement wall and gives the space a sense of space and coherence. Full height paneling guarantees a striking and captivating design, regardless of the material you select wood, cloth, or textured materials. Conclusion: with very little work, paneling behind the bed is a great way to improve the look of your bedroom. There are innumerable options to fit every taste and style, from traditional wood to contemporary 3D panels. These behind bed paneling ideas can turn your bedroom into a customized heaven, whether your goals are warmth, luxury, or an artistic edge. What is your favorite? Tell us in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you found these wall panel design ideas inspiring, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more creative tips and tricks.